Here we are where the transmission and the back of the engine are tied together, and you'll see that shiny stuff, that's the oil pan gasket surface, and it is completely free of the world's hardest, crappiest gasket material in history. I've never seen anything like it. A lot of people haven't. So the whole pan is done. Excuse me, and it's dusty under here. Sorry, the whole pan surface is done. Now, you'll see that there's trash bag on here, and you'll see like well, I don't know if you can see it. You cram like a piece of napkin in there, or paper towel, or other things to seal it up so the dust doesn't get up inside your block. Now, we got a little inside there, so we have to go up in there and clean it all out as soon as this is done. Sorry the lighting's not great. This is really hard to shoot, but it's all clean. Oh man, my helper did this side all the way down. All the way down 2 days ago, and I did this side today, just now, with dust everywhere. Pardon me. Anyway, there's just a tiny bit of detailing that needs to be done. If you, let's see, can I show it to you? If you look at the holes, you'll see that there's crud in them, and it's obviously from grinding this off with a die grinder. So we'll do the same thing you do for the head bolts. Is you take a 1/4-20 screw for most of these, you cut a couple grooves in it, and you thread it in there and thread it out, and that cleans a hole out. So that has to be done still. But at least the surface is clean. You see back in there, way back in there. Anyway, it's a huge pain in the ass. This is unbelievable. This is one of those tasks on doing this motor where pulling the motor, as it was pointed out to me, would make this operation easier. So if you have one of those pan gaskets that is unbelievable on your old Jeep, consider pulling the whole motor. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but you cannot believe the degree of difficulty. This is an 11 on a scale of 1 to 10. See you back there? Woohoo! So, what did we use? We used my favorite word, roll-lock discs on a die grinder, and sorry for shaking like crazy. This is these are grinders for doing porting and polishing, like I pointed out earlier. There's places where that needs to happen. So having two of these really speeds things up. You just switch from one to the other. And even better still, 2 air hoses. But, you know, anyway, it's working pretty good. The cast iron's happy with this. It won't hurt it. Just shocking. Just loving it, getting it done. So we're getting closer. And as soon as we can get this detailed, cleaned up, and then wipe the inside of the block down where some of the dust got sprayed into. That's huge. You don't want that crap inside your engine. We'll wipe it all out, and then we're going to put the pan on. And that will complete the lower side of the engine, and that will be a great thing. Alright, well, that's it for the oil pan. This is the biggest pain in the butt of my life. I've never had anything this hard before. So, anyway, that's it for now. Yoo-hoo! See you, bye.